What's up guys, Intellitech Studios here, and I got a request to do a video on my Simplicity 7350. Now I'm not sure if by the time I upload this I'll already have uploaded the vacuum save that this is in. Spoilers. But whether this is posted before or after, either way, this is a hint at what is to come. And based on the fact that we're already running it, you can tell that it works. So it's got a lovely little switch right there, and carpets and floors. Obviously, I'm using it on carpets. As far as what this needs, the cord appears to be a replacement, but I'm not too bothered about that. It's in good shape. It needs an upper cord hook, so that's snapped off. So I need to get a replacement cord hook. It needs a wand. One of the headlights is burned out, and I'd like to ideally replace the base plate because it's a little bit warped on one side, but it's not too bad. It's on the side where the dial is, not where the suction is, so all that's fine. And I do have an extra hose with it as well that's nice and long that plugs into the back, so that's fun. The only work I did to it is I did wash the bag door since it was dirty, and I don't have any HEPA bags, so I have some genuine Riccar Eco Pure bags, so all that is nice. This handle is very flimsy, so I try not to carry it by that. This is a very heavy machine. Even though the actual handle weight isn't a lot, the weight is a good amount, so pushing and pulling it is kind of a chore. And you can hear it's a bit squeaky. I do need to grease those wheels. I keep forgetting to do that, so sorry about that. That's going to be squeaky. I threw some shredded paper down because why not? No reason not to. And this is my second paper shredder in a row that's died, so if anyone has any leads on a good paper shredder that won't cost too much, I'd love to be all ears, because I am in the market for one, at least once I have the money. So yeah, Simplicity 7350. Yeah, let's give it a run. See a belt spot right there? apparently this is not as good at surface debris as I was hoping. A lot of this paper is stuck to my feet, which is not great. Any on this foot? Nope, not on that foot. So, now we gotta get the little bits that are left behind. And there's one little bit that's like stuck in the drum there. Okay, well, let's try again. There we go. Wow, come on, just get those last two pieces, jeez. Well, that is that. The Simplicity 7350. So, pretty interesting machine. I have to figure out how to get these scuffs off the front without damaging the logo, so it's not just Implicity. Yeah, so it has, oh, it would help if I point the camera at it. Has a 4-year warranty. I doubt that's all that relevant. Intellitech system, whatever that means. Ultrafiltration, whatever that means. Cyclonic agitation, that just sounds like bullshit. Here we've got 7350. Lovely switch for floors and carpets, which I did use. Again, if I could point the damn camera at what I'm trying to point at. Let's see if there's anything in this bag. Okay, now we're starting to amass a good amount of stuff in here. Probably because of all that shredded paper. So I'd vacuumed with this a couple times, and the bag still felt like it was empty. There was probably stuff in there, but I'm not the kind of person to tear open a bag and waste it just to show what it picked up. And speaking of what it picked up, I already ran this earlier today in my living room, and I ran the Dyson immediately afterwards. And this is what the Dyson got up. Not a lot. Actually, I just remembered I emptied this, so this isn't even... Yeah, never mind. I can't even show what it picked up because I emptied it. Well, you can see the dust at least. So, I don't know why that is. I would fully expect... I mean, I'm sure that out of the box this definitely cleans better. I would hope so, at least, right? But for whatever reason, it still cleans good, don't get me wrong. I haven't had any real issues with performance, but I feel like it should be a little bit better. Maybe it's the brush roll, maybe it's the belt. It might be the belt. Maybe it's the fact that the bottom plate is kind of warped. Here, if I turn this over. Which, of course, I can't really lay it down because of the pedal, but I can turn it over and then flop it on its front. And, of course, that hose does funny things when you do that. So we can see the results. Of course, the brush is off right now since it's in the upright position. Well, since not that, since I put it on the 4 mode, because I always store it on the 4 mode, because that's what I did with my T-Series. But yeah, so brush roll spins fine. It looks like these bristles on this side might be a little worn. Maybe that's just me. Like, are these short? Should I change these? I don't know. So, I mean, they feel fine. They still stick out a good amount. Yeah, they stick out a good amount. But I don't know. Maybe there's something else I'm missing. So yeah, that's the Simplicity 7350. Very nice. This spinny brush roller. And you can see what I was talking about. That gap right there. Where it's warped. Although there's not much on this side. On this side, which is again where the hose is, it appears to be fine. It still maybe is leaking air out of here. Maybe that's why it's not doing so hot. I don't know if it's just me, but it feels like this wheel is like off center. This one looks fine, but it looks like this one's slanted this way a little bit. Let's see. Model 7350. Manufactured in Taiwan. I'm tired. Serial number 8C0210008. So maybe 2002 would be my guess. Got an upholstery tool. We've got all the small tools. We've got that. We've got a really nice dusting brush and a crevice tool, but we are missing the wand. So this thing needs a headlight, a wand, and a cord hook. Possibly a base plate. And a headlight. But that's all basic stuff. It does work in the meantime, so very happy about that. I'm not sure what else to say about it, other than I do like it. I still would rather use my Dyson, because especially like whenever I was in the den and I was trying to turn it around, it's kind of a slog to turn around, as opposed to something with a swivel neck. But yeah, so that's the Simplicity 7350. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is on the list of reviews. I just put up a poll as of the time that I filmed this, although it'll be a few out, like 12 hours probably after I've put up that poll that you'll see this video. But I put up a poll with this machine in it, so if you liked this machine, you want to see me review it, then vote for it in the poll, otherwise vote for one of the other machines. So, anyways, this is Intellitech Studios. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you all have a good one. Peace.